Hey guys, what's up? I hear something outside. I don't know what it is. I'm really scared to see what it is as well. It sounds like gunshots, but then again, they could be fireworks. See, coming from outside. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I don't know if they're fireworks or gunshots. Really scared right now. I'm just gonna rest right now. That then again, it is really quiet. So I don't know. It's only July 2nd. 2 more days, and the fireworks should go off. And not tonight. I mean, it'd be way too early. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna rest here for now. Everybody else is sleeping, except for me. Oh, there they are again. Whoa. I think I see them. No, I can't see them. Oh. Yeah, never mind. I can't see nothing. Well, I'm gonna go now. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.